be their supporters, okay? So people from the center all the way to the right, you will show your support for Barry. Barry is our green wing macaw. Now this is what you need to do. I want you to clap your hands and shout his name just like that. Barry, Barry. Alright, very good. Now people from the center all the way to the left, you have Cocky. Same thing. You clap your hands and you go Cocky, Cocky. Alright. Raise to the table. Now I have a really huge tree trunk over here that is going to resemble the nest. Okay, we've got 4 fruits on each side. Supporters, remember the chill for your birds. Ready, go! It's just a warm-up, so what do you want? One more match! Do you want one more match? Yes, very good! Everybody deserves a second chance. Let's back to the table. Okay. Now, all free side, very supporters, keep it up, okay? Ready? Go!